What's up, y'all? Listen, happy Saturday. Just happy Life Day. We are here on the grounds of Unity Gospel House of Prayer. This is our annual school drive and bike giveaway. We do something for the community every year. And we got some amazing partners, man. One of our partners that are just unbelievable and giving back to this community is Aurora. And we're happy here. I'm here with Mr. Chad Roper. What we getting, Chad?
We're getting our blood pressure checked, and I'm getting my glucose checked. I just want to make sure ain't nothing under the engine wrong. You know what I'm saying? I just want to make sure I'm on point. Man, Aurora is always a big impact in the community. We've done a lot of things together.
He didn't charge me yet, so I don't know if I'm gonna get a bill later, but I'm praying that God touches his heart. In Jesus' name, right?
And we just want to give this community some things that they've never had, some things that they've never experienced. Most importantly, show that we care. Because nobody cares how much you know until they know how much you care. So we're grateful. And remember, obey God, he'll bless you real good.
And one thing about a dream, it never expires.
Never expires.
Peace.